Welcome to the CryptoNest. So many questions of my friends. They were looking at Solana and they were all waiting for a pullback, and then they're complaining that we never had one. We actually, here was a pullback. Here was another chance to have another pullback. Did we got in? Well, I didn't there. I did here. And now, yes, now it's skyrocketing. And so we can count 5 waves. Now it depends how you count it. Is this just a 1 and this is the A, B, and a C, or 1, 2, 1, 2? Honestly, it doesn't matter. We are going to be saying that this is the third wave now. And yeah, the fourth wave didn't really come, yeah. And sometimes those things happen. Is it going to come? Well, eventually it's going to come, but how high this coin is going? You can see that now prices start to get rejected, and but now this, it could be also be counted as a consolidation, and so people are accumulating. And yeah, so this is, it's hard when things are pumping, and then what's the good strategy? Actually, the good strategy would have been to buy here or here. Now, people they got here, well, we just continue buying a little bit every time there is a kind of a rest or a sign of consolidation, where we adopt a little bit. For the people who didn't got any, now this is decision point for you, because you need to decide if you want to get in now. But I mean, it did went up so high that this coin need to rest a little bit. So even though Solana for a moment, I would say, doesn't like to take a rest, and there is a lot of, I don't want to say FOMO, but yeah, let's call it FOMO a little bit, right? Everybody's jumping in, but you can see now momentum, it's almost start to be negative momentum, or we are about to fall into negativity. And you can see that the RSI also, it's falling down, and price action is not that great. We do start to have these very high weeks, but then you can see that yeah, the bears, they push it down, right? So they're fighting hard, and they're kind of winning, because before, as you can see in the pump here, we had a few, but then the bulls, they take over. But now you can see that there is more pressure on the bulls, and even this week, these 2 weeks, it's like it's kind of mixed feeling. So now, honestly, if I wouldn't buy Solana at this level now, because everything is flashing oversold, honestly, and I believe this coin need to rest. Now, there is always people say, you keep saying that, but then this correcting movement is not coming. Well, that's part of the game. Maybe you can buy one, and then if it goes higher, at least you're in, right? If you don't have any. But me, I'm waiting. As I said, eventually price will go and reach near the MA200. MA200 now it's $24.57. So I wouldn't chase that, because we're about double, even a little bit more than double. So I'm really looking for this corrective movement here. Is it update? Yes. So 46, honestly, ideally 33. Is it going to happen? Maybe not, honestly. Maybe I would go for a $39 more. But for sure, I'm going to start to get back some around 46 or $48. Slight amount, and then the more it going to go deeper. If it goes deeper, then I accumulate more. So this is my strategy for Solana for the moment. As you know, if you did follow this channel for a while, I did had a little bit. I did take some profit at 22, after I think 27 and 32. I still have some. I did accumulate more, I think around 42, 43, and but just only a few, very small amount. Now I could take a profit, but because I already took some profit before, and my entry point of my major position, I got it lower, I don't mind if price goes back to 30.90. And yeah, so this is the crucial part. The next pullback, I'm going to really step in more. So now the strategy, or because now we start to be in a bull market officially. Actually, I would call this a pre-bull market. So how do we how do we build up our portfolio? Well, it would be try to get well, for sure the lowest entry possible available, and then so let's say if we got some here, then when there is a retest, we get a little bit more. Now, as I said, now I did take some here because we had a small retest, just small quantities, but this was a little bit of a stretch because it's like it's a fourth wave of a third wave, right? But for sure I'm going to get much more at this level here, and the more it goes, I will continue to accumulate and getting in. But for sure, the more time pass, the more price go higher, the more it's getting expensive, right? But at least you can always set your sell-stop limit, because if something happen in life, a big tragedy, and market react crazy or reverse on you, well, every time because you got in this pullback here, you keep accumulating, even if price goes I don't know, $260, and you make a big corrective movement, your sell stop limit can be easily around $100, and you wouldn't be stop out, and you still have your Solana. And actually that would be another very good entry level to accumulate even more. So this is really the strategy that we need to look forward. It's nice to get really early entry price, but we need to continue to build up. And unfortunately, the expression is you need to have money to make money. Yeah, in the bull market, even if it goes up, it's always best to always keep some cash, because these crazy weeks anyway, they will come even in the bull market. This is what make it crazy. And then if even price go higher, then we're going to have a crazy week up to this level here, and then after that it's going to continue. So okay, now for sure we're going to wait for this wave 2, but I mean, it could be a crazy wave 2, and it can go as low as, I don't know, $26-$25. Not impossible, but just a crazy week of, I don't know, half an hour. So this is why it's important to, first of all, study those lines. And I would say, if we have a crazy week, I'm definitely, actually I do have some order at $33 already now, because something crazy happened, liquidation, or you name it, and you don't want to miss that opportunity. And that's going to be like maybe 5 minutes, 25 minutes, 1 hour. If you're not there, that's it. That's why, yeah, the other thing I wanted to share with you guys is this week it's Black Friday, so there is a big discount on TradingView, so that's very convenient. If you want to put an alarm, or let's say an alarm, let's say at $33, then you can have your friend here, TradingView, that he can send you a message if you get there. So there you go, you can just say bye. So, and there you go. So you know that if price is reaching that level, your limit order is going to be triggered. And honestly, it's the only financial advice I would give is like it's a good investment if you decide to catch those swings. I think the free version has 5 alarms. With the intermediate one level plan, I think you have 20 alarms. Honestly, I can manage with 20. I don't need more for a moment. And yeah, so this is about what I wanted to share with you guys on Solana. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.